mo. We are medical field. No malish, guys. Wala malish siya. Okay lang po. Okay. Start po tayo.
Medyo lang na ako sumali kasi hindi ako marunong.
Where's Tinay? Tinay?
Tuturuan ka pa nila.
Tinay? Wala ka na natin? Oo. Ma'am, dito tayo. Ayan, sita. Sa makinis. Ito ba linis na ito? Another one. Another one, guys. Another one. Pili na another one. Last one, lady. Last one, lady. May mana, yes. May mana.
Sumabog na yung iba nag-start. May party. Kaya muntik na magagamit yung buhay. Kasi matilis na. Sayang kasi yung pera ng PLS pag na-deleted.
Ito si Kuya. Okay, next auction. The ladies will hit. Yes, will
Dong, tarong nga dong ha. Sa may pangalan dong. Pangalan. Cebu. We're from Davao. From where?
Start. You have instruction ready? The ladies will hit.
You don't know where you from? Ay ate, from where in Philippines?
Ladies, yes.
Hi be.
Ready, go! Okay, one, two, three, ladies. Okay, ready?
Debbie, balik mo, i-post mo ganun din para maano, mapump. Makatuloy ko yan, ha?
This is Pump My Ass.
Behind us.
Wait lang, natin na tayo tunes.
Don't freak out! Don't freak! Don't rush!
Why you release?
Excited! Saka, one mo. Ay, hindi. Ha? Hindi na, hindi ka nangyari. Ikaw pa. Ulitin mo nga, ulitin mo nga. Can you repeat? Rewind, please, MK.
Ano daw?
Pinaprank na si ate, sabi na, tingnan naman.
Sige, isa lang po po kanila. Okay, only one, ha? Once you finish one, done. Okay? So, okay. Ready? Okay, ready? Not my ass.
Bilisan nyo ha.
Wait, like this. What we will do like this? Position, this is your position. Please. Okay? Okay, 1, 2,
Wala niya.
Okay, are you going, guys?
Yes!
Who's the winner? No, who's the winner? Who's the winner?
My prize!
Okay, guys, next.
Oo, yung winner lang. Side lang sa ganito.
Okay, you want the television number?
Yes!
Winner lang ang bibigyan. Hindi ko na bibigyan kasi yung nahiya mo yung
Okay.
Si Kuya grabe naman nakapush talaga.
Ah?
Ito yung tumulong na Gabriel.
Okay, you want games again? Are you enjoying, guys?
Yes!
Cellphone ko tingnan sa'yo.
Okay.
Kasi.
Good science, guys. I will introduce another instructor from CNA. Okay, Ma'am Del.
Yes, good afternoon to all of you, and I'm really overwhelmed with the preparation. Congratulations to the team committees.
Yay!
Sadly, we came to our batch 13 and 14. We came in last now because we're supposed to come because I was supposed to go on vacation. Anyway, it was postponed now, but I'm so happy that we decided to come. Maybe I thought postponement was good as well. I get to meet all of you, and then
Welcome.
yes, I'm the news. Yeah, I'm the news teacher, and then I'll be catering the weekdays, not the weekends. Okay? That's it. Thank you so much.
Okay guys, let me just announce the bosses